When you type a website address like google.com into your browser, it needs to find out the IP address of that site to connect to it. First, your browser checks if it already has this information stored in memory. If it does, it uses that information immediately. If not, your computer asks a local DNS server, which is usually provided by your internet service provider. This local DNS server might not know the answer, so it asks other DNS servers on the internet, called recursive servers, for help. The recursive server consults one of the root servers, which are like distribution centers that know where to find more detailed information. The root servers direct the query to the top-level domain servers like .com, .org, and others. These TLD servers know where to find the authoritative servers that have the exact information you need. The authoritative server responds with the IP address of the requested site, and this information travels back to your computer. With the IP address in hand, your browser finally connects to the site and you can start browsing. This information is stored in the cache so that next time the process is much faster. And that's how DNS works. A vast network of servers working together to ensure you can access any site on the internet quickly and efficiently.